Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. I am Charita.
Today I got the leads from my colleague. Then we are going heading to find out how is that car. Its value around 200 pounds. And exactly suit for my pocket. Exactly, I have 200 pounds. We'll see how is that car. Let's go. What do you think? 200-pound value car going to work for us? We'll see. What I'm going to do, I'm going to park here and I'm going to do documentation and I'm going to bring the car here. Got my 200-pound value car. First thing, need to do this bumper little bit alignment. Yeah, and need to polish the light little bit, make nicer. And also this tire good condition, back tire good condition, this tire also good condition. All four tires nearly new. Then I don't want to bother about the tires, and we'll see what's the condition inside. Nice and clean car. I think because of the selling they might be clean inside. Yeah, we'll see the back. Little bit corrosion here, bit corrosions. Rear bumper not bad and need to good clean. Anyway, it's tidy, and the wheel brush there, and also tow bar here. Somewhere could be here the spare tire and the ordinary jack also here. Everything as should be there. We'll see how about the under the bonnet. All around nice and dry. Normally I expect little bit oil leakings around that area. However, at the moment that side fine, and this side also no any oil leaking. Little bit clean around the edge. This is 2002 model. However, I'm going to check underneath. Underneath also can't point anything. Nice and dry. Yeah, we'll see inside. Right, there is a bit documents, MOT certificate here. Mileage very low, 72,000. Pass with defect. Tire obviously under inflated, offside rear. Inflated is okay, we can pump up, is not a problem. At the moment I can't see. Bumper mounting corroded but not likely. Became detached front. Yeah, we can see that one. And the number plate insecure. Front is not insecure now, might be they fix it. Seat belts buckle damage. Offside front and near side front, I think could be. This is the thing they talking about, because this cover not there, but it's won't failure because it's doing the job. It's cover not there, I mean doesn't matter. We'll see what happened to the this side belt. Yeah, it's doing the job, to be honest. Then, and the rear also nice and clean. This one 5-seated, you can see 3 people can go rear, 1 2 and the 3 belt. Basically this is 5 people car, little bit room around the back. Yeah, it's good for the someone starting driving new. Yeah, this one need to go, might be somewhere. Here we are. Right, I'll leave it there, and I'm going to start the car and we'll see is it working. And this is radio, it has a cassette. Yeah, it's working. See, oh, burn my hand. See, it's working. Yeah, working, still working order. Right, heatings working. And one more thing I notice, you can see at the dashboard mileage 72, but after the MOT at the moment mileage 73, 027. I think they're using less than 1000 miles. And also you can see engine management light on. I had to check what's going on for the engine management light, because vehicle little bit shaking. I need to find out what's going on there before I trade. V5C book here. Okay, there is only no service history, but however I'm going to sort out this engine management light. I'm going to do the service, and I'm going to sort out bumper and the front light. A part of that I'm not thinking I need to. We'll see the windows. Yeah, this one definitely work. We'll see the passenger side. Yeah, all work as should be. Yeah, nice and clean car. A part of that, this problem, then we'll go to the garage and find out what's going on for the engine management light. All injectors, you can see nice and wet. This injector not working because it's bone dry here. Right, first step, we sort out the misfire. Basically we found faulty injector. Now car running very smooth. First job done. Then after that we need to sort out bumper hanging. Then after that we are going to polish this both headlamp. Then after that I'm going to take to the car wash people. Then after that hopefully I'm ready for sell this car. Once I complete this thing, I'll come back to you again. Now lamp much better, and the bumper also much better, much alignment. Yeah, next step I'm going to take to the car wash and give a good clean. You can see here I'm going to give a good clean. Done the wash, then I'm going to park somewhere and take a photo for the trading. bought this car for 200. Done the repair for engine management light polish, service done, little bit bumper alignment. Altogether it's going £300 for that repair and the service. And I done fresh MOT because this car already has a 3 months MOT. However, I done the fresh MOT, it's cost £50, and after that I'll make it wash nice and clean in and out, cost £20. And I done the fuel, another £10. Also I add wheel caps, it's going to be £40. I spent 620 for this car. At the moment I'm going to trade 1,950. However, once I sell the car, I'll let you know how much I get for this car. See you soon.